Hi, I'm Chef Cristo Gonzalez, and I'm going to show you how to make a jalapeno lettuce salad. So you start with your jalapenos. I've got some red ones, I've got some orange ones, I've got some green ones. We're going to go ahead and cut these into circles this time. We want these circles because this is what's going to add the little presentation to our jalapeno lettuce salad. Cut circles, and now we have all of our little jalapenos all ready. You can use any dressing you like. So we're going to take some romaine lettuce. We're going to pull off some nice leaves. We're going to just use the top pretty little part of the leaf. We're going to mix that together with our jalapeno slices, and we're going to put a salad together. We're going to put our lettuce down, and then we're going to arrange our discs around so that they look nice, however it looks nice to you. This is a little bit of a different dressing than what you're probably used to. This is an apricot vinaigrette. It's some pureed apricots with a little white balsamic, a little bit of apple juice. Then we're going to season it with a little bit of seasoned salt and pepper. And that's how to make a jalapeno lettuce salad. I'm Chef Cristo Gonzalez for Demand Media. See you soon. That's good.